Sometimes you face this kind of situation where you have to find the month, which month is going on from the large data or from the date. So like you can see, I have a date here. It's a month is going on 1 2 3 4 5. I can type it manually, but I don't want to type it manually. What I do, I will use the text function. I will select the cell, and under the apostrophe I will type 4 times M and apostrophe close and the parenthesis and press enter. You will get the month from the date, and you can duplicate this to all your cells, all your data, and you will get the month. Follow me for more Excel tips.